Do you guys have confusions with the usage of because of and due to? I am here to clarify all your confusions regarding because of and due to. So are you ready to learn? Before getting on to today's session, I would like to introduce myself to all the people out there who are watching me for the first time. My name is Liji and I welcome you all to Lisbethos Melia. If you are here for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon because that will help you in getting notifications whenever I upload videos. So let's jump on to today's session. Whenever there is a need to give reasons, we end up using due to and because of, right? But these two phrases cannot be substituted. These are not interchangeable. Let's talk about due to first. Due to is actually an adjective and it is used to modify a noun or a pronoun. I'll give you a quick example so that you understand what I try to mean by this. The adjournment of the meeting was due to power outage. The adjournment of the meeting was due to power outage. Here we can see that due to is actually modifying the noun phrase which is adjournment of the meeting. Now let's see how because of is different from due to. Because of is an adverb and thus it is used to modify a verb. Now how can we use because of in a sentence? I'll give you a quick example for this also. I'll modify the example that I gave you earlier so that it becomes easier for you to understand. The meeting was adjourned because of power outage. The meeting was adjourned because of power outage. So we can see here that because of is actually modifying the verb which is adjourned. Adjourned. Now what does adjourned mean? To postpone or to put off something. To delay something. So the meeting was delayed because of power outage. Adjourned here acts as a verb and thus we end up using because of instead of due to. I will give you other examples so that this difference stays in your mind for a longer time. He could not write his exam well because of his illness. He could not write his exam well because of his illness. Here we can see that because of is actually modifying the verb which is write. Okay? Let's focus on another example. His failure was due to lack of study. His failure was due to lack of study. Now, here we are talking about failure, which is a noun. And in order to modify a noun, we need to use due to. Let's look at another set of examples. The traffic jam was due to heavy rain. The traffic jam was due to heavy rain. We cannot say the traffic jam was because of heavy rain because traffic jam is a noun. It is not a verb. The traffic jam occurred because of heavy rain. Occurred because of heavy rain. So here because of is used in order to modify the verb which is occurred. Just briefing the main points. Due to is an adjective and it is used to modify nouns as well as pronouns, whereas because of is an adverb and it is used to modify verbs. If you get confused at any point, make sure you use this phrase, caused by. Place this phrase instead of due to or because of. If it suits the sentence, if the sentence turns out to be correct or if you think the sentence is kind of okay, then it means that you should be adding due to there. If caused by is completely wrong in the sentence, if caused by cannot be used in the sentence, if the sentence turns out inappropriate, it means that you should be adding because of instead of due to. So I hope you got the difference. ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്ത ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ please do subscribe to my channel. നിങ്ങളുടെ സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ കാരണം നിങ്ങളുടെ കോമെൻസിൽ നിന്നും നിങ്ങളുമായിട്ടുള്ള ആ ഒരു എൻഗേജ്മെൻറ്റ് കാരണം എനിക്ക് അതിൽ നിന്നും കുറേ പോസിറ്റീവ് എനർജി കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. മുന്നോട്ട് ഇനിയും വീഡിയോസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് എൻകറേജ്മെൻറ്റ് അതിൽ നിന്നും കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. So please do support me. Thank you for all the love. Thank you. I will come up with yet another video soon. Bye bye.